How's it going, guys? I don't know about you, but it's Friday and I'm craving one of two things: curry or pizza. Now, as you can imagine, South Birmingham Curry Club, we get through a lot of curry. So this week I'm craving pizza. Pizza was the very first thing I learned to cook when I was a kid, maybe 20 years ago. I started off using those rubbish packet mixes, but still that was a step up from the frisbee-like shop bought ones that you can get that literally, it's like a digestive biscuit with cheese and tomato on. Fling it. Now, unless you're a bit posh and you've got a wood-fired oven, you're never going to be able to get a proper artisan pizza like you get in some of the best pizza places. But I'm going to show you how, in a few easy steps and with only a few ingredients, you can make great pizzas at home all by yourself. You don't need much kit, but I definitely recommend you get a pizza stone. They make a huge difference to the dough. And let's face it, pizza is all about the dough. If you don't have one, you could always use like a baking tray, like a large baking tray or something like that, but you won't get the same effect. So, get your taste buds ready, strap yourselves in, it's pizza time. Can you see how the dough's nice and fluffy? It's got those kind of air pockets. Could probably do with another couple of minutes in there, to be fair. The bottom's quite crispy. You can see the sides. It's kind of like the crust is nicely bubbled up. Sometimes I put olive oil around the sides, and that really kind of makes it crispy. Didn't do it this time. So there you go. I'm going to eat all the rest of this. I'm sure you don't want to sit around watching me because this is going to get messy. Have a go yourself and leave me some comments and let me know how you get on. If you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe, because then you'll find out about all our upcoming videos. We're going to have loads of new content coming soon. Shove off now. I need some private time with my pizza. Ciao, bro.